the raised arm barriers, okay, the turnstiles, the road blockers, the electrical works, the civil structural works for support buildings, the PIC, the guardhouse, X-ray, the perimeter security lighting, and the last one was the facility perimeter fencing. So all of these project scope are belong to us, Kulu. Okay, all of this. So other scope, construction scope regarding to piping, pipe laying, plants, there is a different Alatani, Shirika Masuraga. There's a different company who are responsible to do that one. Okay? Okay. So, any question from here? Okay. So here, so safety. May I ask you what is safety? Your for your own understanding. What is safety? You heard safety before? From your own understanding, what is safety? Safety.
Safety is what is safety?
What is safety for you?
For safety, it prevention for my accident.
Yes, very good. To prevent you from accident. Okay. So good sample. How about you? Safety. Malum safety? Fina for kalam or foreman, anak foreman. Brother, anta syukur sa doesn't follow safety. Anta fakar ish. What is safety?
Safety.
Aywa.
Kalau mati.
Aywa. Anak kalam anta, anak gul. Okay? Anak kalam. Bye. Go syukur him. Bro. But lazim safety, Enta fakar ish.
Our safety was the truth.
Aywa, ish kalam safety. Ish safety.
Helmet safety.
Okay, it's a good, very good also example. Your PPE to protect also you from any possible harm, right? But did you heard before the HSE, the word HSE?
Safety.
Okay, because if we say safety, safety is a big word. Word safety. If we dig more on this word, it's a lot of a meaning on this one. There's what we call the word HSE, which is we need to implement and follow aside. We have to ensure that all of this HSE is well implemented and in place at site. Okay, what is H? H stands for health, right? How about S? Safety. Okay, how about E? Environment. So we have here the health, the safety, and the environment. Okay, so health. What is health, by the way? Health.
Body health.
Ourselves,
Ourselves body health.
Any person or any worker has an absence of disease, mild illness. A good condition means this person has a good health. Any person doesn't have a good health condition, mungkin maybe he's taban, he has a fever, sick, or he has some kind of illnesses, she's suffering. So, means to say, hada admi, hada nafarat, health not good. Okay, remember before coronavirus? Malum corona? Fina farmot mafi. Ziyada. Sa? A lot of people died during that pandemic. How many people are there? A lot. Mungkin million. Right? Maybe million of people died during that pandemic. Okay? So, the person infected with that particular virus, sometimes there's a symptoms of that. If somebody will just do a cough or he has a fever, so we suspect that person mungkin ada muskila na person. Mungkin ada person fay mujud corona. Right? Pwede rin. So yun. Distance. Muskila ang tayo. Ang tataban, ang taka corona mujud mungkin. And then, some people also fay corona after a few days or a few weeks or a month, mungkin 15 days, bis yung uamot. They die. Right? They die. Without our knowledge because of that particular virus. Okay, so health. Any person doesn't have a good health condition, taban, harara, EG illnesses, sometimes EG moya bara, means to say health, mafic-wise. It is not good. Okay? How about safety? Safety, when we say safety, the word safety, it is focusing on physical harm to us. Harm to us as a worker, to us as a people. Okay, let's say you are working at the site in a high elevated area, let's say around 3 meter, 10 meter module 4. And you are not wearing your full body harness. And then it happened that you slip or trip above. And then the reason why you are fell to the ground. Now, there's an accident. You got injured. You got injured. So since you got the injury, that is goes to safety. Or maybe you die. Mood. That is belongs to safety. So safety means physical harm to us. It's physical. If somebody will hit you, smack you, boxing, and then you will be hit, too much pain. That is belongs to safety. You feel pain, physical. Okay? So health, it is an internal part, immune system of a person. Okay? Safety, physical harm. Okay. Now we go here. Health. Any person, ay nafarat, I admit, health mapic-wise, mungkin corona, mujud, means health not good, sir. Since this person or this worker doesn't have a good health, so now he is no longer safe. Maybe he may die. He may suffer a lot of operation, medical operation, right? So means he is no longer safe because this person doesn't have a good health, mafic-wise health, taban. So he is no longer safe. Maybe he may die, get injured, undergo a lot of operations. So I don't know. So since doesn't have a good health, so he is no longer safe. How about environment? Our environment. Our surroundings, right? This is surroundings. Working place. Okay? This is our environment, this one. You go outside, also environment. You go to site, other environment, huh? Environment means it is our working place. So example, sawa-sawa sukol, we are working together, okay? In a one place, here. And there is a portable toilet at a DAS meter module. Portable toilet, okay? This toilet, ada hamam, panin niyi, cleaning niyi, soap niyi, tissue niyi, kuno niyi. But all workers are used to use the hamam. Go there, hamam, alatul. After 20 days, bisyum. Had the smell good? No. So it's katsaras, huh? Why? There's no proper hygiene. There's no proper cleaning. Right? Now, we are working. While we are working, hawa module. Hawa malum? Wind. Wind, hawa. Wind. Easy wind. And then this wind, when the time that we inhale, katsara hada hamam. Muskila. So means to say, that your atmospheric in your working place is what? Contaminated. Mafic-wise. The environment is no longer safe. Why? The atmosphere, the oxygen, in your surrounding is contaminated with that hamam. Right? So means, muskila, environment not good. So the time that the environment is not good, maybe, alatul shukul, and then alatul hawa, then most of the time, you are inhaling that one. Then go dakil in the, maybe we feel taban or sore throat from this bad condition. Right? So since environment not good, you are not only inhaled, but then one of our health not good. He will suffer a health condition. So since he suffered a health condition, he is no longer safe. So these three categorical, it is connected always. Remember, health, safety, and environment. You have to make sure that all of this category is in place. Okay? Is in place, followed, everything. 200% kuluna farat, all of you will be safe. Not just, no brother, just follow safety ha, and then ang tafakar, ano malubis ka lang formal. Bas helmet, PPE, bas nos. You have also to consider yourself. You make sure, before going to work, you are in good condition, hindi mapiptaban. You have power. Keep show ko lang tatabon mo. So, kita? But then what? Accident. Make sure, health, number one. During the morning, in the morning, before you go to work, check. Do I have a good health condition right now? Can I still work? If it's okay, kalas, go. Health, check. Safety. PPE. So my PPE, you have to put everything. The procedures inside, the requirements, it is part of the safety. Okay, lazim you have to provide. Now, you have everything, safety. Okay, now go to safety. Check everything, your workplace. Katsara, housekeeping, check hamam, everything, which can affect our environment, to our working place. If it's all clear, all good, so all are good. Health, safety, and environment, that's the time that you can proceed to work. 100%. Everybody will be safe. Tamam? Okay? So understand from here? Okay. So, next.